Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Debaru like always, and today is part number 3 of a series showing you how to make $100 per day with solo ads. So let's jump into the content. Hey to everyone, and today we have a part number 3 video showing you how to make $100 per day with solo ads. And today's topic is gonna be what kind of offers can you promote. So we're gonna go through what kind of offers you can promote within your niche and where you can find them. So let's jump to the first slide and let's start it. So affiliate marketing offers. So that means that these kind of offers you can actually promote within your email swipes when you order your solo ads traffic. So let's have a look. I want to mention that you have 2 different products that you can promote. So let's have a look. So first it's digital products and the second one is physical products. So what are the digital products? So this could be an ebook, a course, so softwares, tools, audio or video training programs, or webinars. So everything that is digital, so you don't get it to your home address, which on the other side, they are physical products, right? So it comes down to the research of your niche that you have selected and finding problems that you can solve within that niche, and then finding digital and physical products if possible to help your subscribers. So let's have a look what kind of digital products you can sell. So we have a couple of, let's say, categories. So the first one is low ticket products. So what that means? So low ticket products, so it's one-time commission, general under $100 per commission earnings. So these can be all kind of different solving problem solution products. So the second one is low ticket product with upsells. So it is the same main product, but in the process or in the flow of selling that product, they have additional upsells. So products similar to the main one that they try to upsell. So low ticket products with upsells for a higher price product. So one-time commission, general under $200 commission earnings. So these can be all kind of different solving problem solution products. So like the first one. So recurring products. So recurring products that people need to pay a monthly membership from which you get paid every single month. So commissions depends from product to product, but general under $100. So one example, let's say a software if you use for your opt-in landing pages where you are collecting your new subscribers. So that means leads and emails. So you can use ClickFunnels software, which has an affiliate program, and you can promote this software and then make recurring earnings every single month. And that could be the same, let's say, for email autoresponder. So let's grab Aweber software that they have the same affiliate program, and it is based on recurring earnings per month. And the last one is high ticket products. So high ticket products, these products can have a combination of one-time commissions and recurring commissions as well. So it can go up to a couple thousand in commission earnings. So they are high ticket products. So these are usually affiliate marketing systems that have multiple streams of income. For an example, that could be an affiliate marketing system called Legendary Marketer. So you can promote this product with solo ads traffic. So the niche is going to be make money online, and you're promoting a system where they can learn how to make money and create their own businesses. All right, so let's have a look where we can find digital products. So digital products. So the best place to start to find your first digital product to promote would be on the website called ClickBank. So you probably are familiar with ClickBank, but ClickBank is one of the biggest marketplaces where you can find any kind of digital product for any niche that you would like to promote. So clickbank.com. So just quickly, a couple of suggestions when you're searching for products. So what to look into when you search for a good product to promote. So commission percent, I would recommend products with 30 to 50% commission percentage per sale, or even more. So more it is, better it is. So the second one is average dollar per sale, how much you will be making in average per one generated sale. So this number higher is, more money you will make. So gravity score, look for products with minimum of gravity 30, but I would recommend to look gravity of 50 and even above. And the last one is good vendors. So check the people who created the product. Are they trustable? Do they have a support to reach out? Check the product sales page, check what kind of promotional material you get, and check the testimonials. So you want to double check everything, and you want to promote a good product to your subscribers. Why? Because they will have a good customer journey with yourself, so with your brand, and it is a big possibility that they will come back and buy from you again, because you are providing a good customer service. And let's have a look to other digital affiliate marketplaces you can use to find digital products. So one is jvzoo.com, cj.com, muncheye.com, warriorplus.com, and jvnotifypro.com. And now let's jump to the second one, which is physical products, and let's have a look where you can find them. So physical products, so the best place to start to find your first physical product to promote would be on the website called Amazon. So you absolutely know Amazon.com, and there you can find any product. So if you want to put an additional physical product that is congruent with your subscribers and the niche that you are promoting, why not to add them an additional value with some good helping products? So let's have a look what we say about Amazon. So I need to say that promoting products from Amazon.com will not give you the commission like 30 to 50% like on digital product marketplaces. You can earn up to 10% commission for each sale you generate. So the commissions are much lower, and I would recommend to look for physical products that have high selling prices. The higher the selling price, the higher your profit will be. So it makes sense. But you can have a look to these different affiliate marketplaces and find much better physical products to promote with higher commission percentages, or you can even combine both together, physical products with digital products. So actually promoting both, but within a strategic email marketing sequence. And now let's have a look to other physical affiliate marketplaces you can use. So markethealth.com, shareasale.com, moreniche.com, and in the end I have actually put it affiliate networks, so on the e-commerce vertical and cash on delivery vertical as well. So let me give you an example. So you are actually buying solo ads from vendors and with the traffic for T1 countries. So inside your email autoresponder program, you can actually create an email list by country. So let's say that you find a very interesting product that will help your audience with their problems on any of affiliate network, and it is just for United States. So geo is US. So what you want to do, you can go to your email autoresponder and create an additional email list from the entire list that you have based on United States country, and then create this offer, so the email swipe, and send it just to this email list, so to your subscribers that live in the United States. So that's how you can combine different products for different countries. And now let's have a look to all these websites that I have mentioned, and let's just go quickly through all of them. All right, so let's go first through the digital products websites, so where you can find your products. So first it's ClickBank. So you probably know clickbank.com, and here you have all the categories, so all the niches that you can focus on to create your products. All right, so let's go to the second one, which is jvzoomarket.com. So here you have the categories around e-commerce, business, health, fitness, self-improvement, and softwares. So we're not gonna go to the product itself. I just want to show you the websites. So the next one is cj.com. So here you have the website. So they have these products up here, so trusted by the world's largest brands. So they're not just these ones, so they have many more, but you're gonna need to create an account and then have a look what they actually have. So let's go forward. So the next one is Munch Eye. So here you can actually have a look what kind of digital products have been published or launched, and it's gonna be in the future, and you're gonna know on which marketplace. So this is Warrior Plus and this is ClickBank. So this is some kind of niche repair, so product about niche repair, that it's gonna come up. Mind and Treasure Vol 1 and 2. So e-commerce, income, probably master or mastermind or something like that. So you can just go and scroll down and see what kind of offers they are coming, and then you can plan inside your email marketing sequence to actually add these products. All right, and the next one is Warrior Plus. So the same, you have a lot of products here that you can have a look and then add to your product list and in different niches. So the last one is jvnotifypro.com. Here is same story, so you can have a look for the products here below where are coming on the market, and then just click it, see what is going on, and if it's something that you would like to promote, you can put it on the list and plan for the future. Okay, so let's move to physical products. So the first one I have mentioned is amazon.com, and here you probably know you can find anything in any niche possible. So this is amazon.com. So the next one is markethealth.com. So they are focusing on health products. So you can see skin products, eye cream, and you're gonna need to create your account and then see what kind of products they have. So Share a Sale is the next one. So here you have a lot of different niches. So home and garden, fashion, green, business, more niches. So depends what you want to focus on. And let's go forward. So the next one is more niche. So they have physical products again that you can promote, but you're gonna need to create your account again and to see what kind of offers and for what kind of niches they have that offers. And the last one is an example for the affiliate network if you want to use it. So Max Bounty affiliate network, and I just grabbed this offer here for United States, which is posture cane. So let's have a look. So allows you to walk more upright, so changing your line of sight so you can look forward instead of down. So it is a product that helps maybe your subscribers if you are in this kind of niche. And like I mentioned before, so this is for United States only. So you're gonna need to create a new email list from your subscribers based on the country, and then create the offer, maybe even a blog post, so or maybe a review, and then send to just this list for the United States.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.